Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to create and annotate circular measurements in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click Annotate. Just below, you can see this Center Lines tool. Click the triangle below it, and you can see all of the circular measurements at our disposal. Let's start with Center Lines and click it. Select any circle or arc, and it'll put a cross right where the center is. Very useful when you need to draw anything near the center. Next, there's the diameter measurement. Click it, and then click any circle or arc. A diameter annotation is now following my cursor around, so all I need to do is click to place it. Next, there's the radius measurement. Click it, and again click any circle or arc. This time, a radius annotation comes up, so all I have to do is find an appropriate spot and click to place it. Lastly, there's the arc length measurement, which can sometimes be useful. Move to the right of the circle measurements to this tiny icon right here. Click it, and then click any arc. As you can see, an arc length annotation comes up. Like the others, find a good spot and then click to place it. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.